This is the view walking in. How amazing is this? So you have a full living room with a really comfy looking couch. Outside there's a table with 4 chairs, a fire pit, a beautiful view. Coming around here, we have another fireplace, a table and chairs, a really sweet note. Then you have another bathroom with showers. Coming around, a full kitchen if you wanted to cook something, because remember, this is not all inclusive. And then coming in to the bedroom, beautiful bed, TV, sofa, and then you've got to see this bathroom. This amazing bathtub with this incredible view, 2 sinks, stand-up shower. Yes, it's one of those really tall rainforest head ones and a bathroom.